Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to resize designs in Canva. When you have already created a design, but sadly, you put the wrong dimensions for your artwork. Well, worry not, we're here to help. You can either simply use the magic switch and the resize function if you have the Canva Pro account. If not, we have another solution as well. Just copy everything and create another project. Let's create a design and select the appropriate dimensions you want. And now once everything is opened, just paste it. Well, you need to resize it. You need to align the items. You need to zoom the images. Change the backgrounds as well. It might be a lengthy process in comparison to the magic switch, but it is one of the solutions to resize design in Canva. Well, that's it for the video guys. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.